Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hey, work had me up in Marion again today, so in between appointments I went up to the Diamonds just to check and see what kind of trains we run into. Here's what we got. So the first train we caught was this CSX 6-axle unit pulling out of the K1 yard to the west. Looked like it might be putting together a grain consist. We'll have to wait and see. Obviously, CSX has the diamonds, control of the diamonds, and this one's blocking the tracks that the Norfolk Western typically traverses. So we'll keep watching, see what happens. So sitting over on the siding, well, not really a siding, there's a track that bridges the two lines there, and just saw this beautiful SD40-2 just sitting over there in the distance. It wasn't powered up, but it did actually turn itself on once or twice, probably because it was actually chilly. While I was here, I got hit with quite a nasty sleet storm, so I'm sure it was set in some sort of automatic mode to keep itself warm. The temperatures were in the low 40s on this particular day, but this cool locomotive was built in 1978, originally in Norfolk and Western, and got moved over to Norfolk Southern during the merger. Got repainted back in 2016. It's just amazing to see those guys out there on the rails still. This locomotive is just a month shy of being 46 years old, which is absolutely amazing. It was 21 years old when the AC 4400 that we're seeing in the video hit the rails. I'm not necessarily someone who despises graffiti. I know there's a lot of people out there that think it's vandalism, and I guess in some way it is. It's private property, it's corporate property. But I guess the railroads, to me, just don't seem to really police it much, and doesn't seem like they really care too much about the presence of the rail art, as long as the reporting marks and capacities and safety information is still visible and legible. But as this train was getting put together, as the locomotive pulled it out of the yard and backed it back into the yard and kept the Norfolk Southern mainline block, keeping me from seeing any Norfolk Southern trains today, I really felt like this was some of the most creative rail art that I've seen in any one sitting, because literally every single car had its own unique rail art on it. And I suppose if it's not your thing, just click past it. I actually really enjoyed seeing all the art on these various cars, and that's what I'm going to kind of use as an outro for this video. The next 5 minutes, 6 minutes, man, just watch this rail art and appreciate it. It's pretty cool stuff. Hey, I hope you found all of that rail art to be as cool and interesting as I did. I really appreciate everybody spending a few minutes watching the trains roll by with me. I sat in this parking spot in this cold, nasty weather for 2.5 hours hoping to see multiple trains, and this guy pretty much had the diamonds, both sets of diamonds, obviously the ones in the viewing screen here, but also the set of diamonds to the immediate west on the other side of the train station tied up. So this was the only train I was able to see all day, but I really thought it was worth the time. In any case, hope everybody had a great day and hope you enjoyed some of this footage. Maybe you saw some rail art that you could custom paint onto one of your train cars on your layout. Hey, in any case, hope everybody has a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week and have a great weekend. Happy railroading, everybody. Take care.